Your patients appreciate your practice's friendly and professional style of communication. Much of that communication happens face-to-face, but some of it happens while your patients are away. Your billing statement should convey your practice's clear and punctual brand of communication. Dentrix QuickBill offers a seamless way to send timely billing statements to your patients with little more than the click of a button. QuickBill works within Dentrix to produce customized statements that reflect your practice's brand. Even better, QuickBill ends the tedious printing, folding, stuffing, sealing, stamping, and mailing of your statements. QuickBill gives you all of the control of billing without the manual hassle, so you can focus on more important, profit-generating responsibilities. Your patients will appreciate the professional-looking billing statements that QuickBill produces. Each statement has a perforated top and remittance envelope, making it a snap for your patients to pay for their care. QuickBill removes one more distraction that can cost your practice in both time and profits.